Watch these guys turn this $250,000 shell of a building in Caguas, Puerto Rico into a beautiful cash flowing hotel using creative financing with PR consultants. Only in Puerto Rico. You guys should all be investing in Puerto Rico. You guys should all come to the island and check it out. That's what this channel's all about, guys. That's why you're here. We put out more content about Puerto Rico than anyone else on the planet, and that's why you come and watch. It's a $250,000 purchase price. They're going to put $50,000 down, and we're going to finance the $200,000 at 12% interest. For them, they get to come in with very little money down, only $250,000, no appraisals, no bank headaches, no personal guarantees. On their side, let's look at the math for them. So what do they get? They get to buy this 9-unit shell of a building for $250,000, which is freaking amazing, and that's why we're in Puerto Rico and why you should be as well. So for them, they buy for $250,000. They're going to put an additional $250,000 in, so they're going to have $500,000 in. They're going to do it. Oh, by the way, it's inside of an opportunity zone. It qualifies for Act 60 tourism. What's that mean? So they're $500,000 plus the first year's operational budget and the first year's marketing budget all gets to go into a pool that then gets 40% tax credits back over the next few years. So this significantly de-risks their investment. It gives them upfront cash flow as they go. I think that they're expecting something in the way of like $25,000 or $30,000 a month in monthly cash flow once they're stabilized. So they got a ways to go to get there. But this is an only in Puerto Rico deal. Hey, if you've ever would like to do a deal like this with us, if you're interested in participating with us, either kind of on the hard money side where we're lending people or we're partnering with them and leaving money in deals, or if you want to come in and be the facilitator and be the operator, reach out, comment. Let us know that you want to do something with us. We're always looking for great like-minded partners. We're always looking for the next way that we can expand our business. And this is how we've chosen to do it. We do it through partnerships. We do it by inviting people to the island. We do it by finding like-minded people who've got a lot of talent. And we've got some talent. We do something and they do something and we bring it together and we make great things happen. We love it. We love that we're here in Puerto Rico, and through Act 60 we can create high-paying jobs. We can get 40% tax credits back. This is just an amazing time to be in Puerto Rico, and you should be here. Thanks for watching. God bless.